Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? How's it going? It's your boy, Broadway J, the host of Kicks and Beats, the channel. The channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. That's right, on the first of every month we do giveaways so you know what time it is. If you're new, hit like, hit subscribe as well. Anyways, we've been gone for about a week and a half. We're coming back with another pair for you, or should I say two. What do we have here today? We got the Yeezy 500 Low colorway Enflame, and we have the Yeezy 500 High Tactile Orange, which just came out about 2 days ago, I believe, May 17th, 220 USD. Yeah, the lows came out, I believe, May 8th, and those went for 200 USD, in case anybody was wondering about the prices on these. But anyways, let's get into it real quick. Shout out to StockX for the Enflame. I took a big, huge L that day, so I had to cop StockX. And when it came to the highs, the Tactile Orange, I got those via concepts.com. So thank you guys once again. You guys have been helping me out greatly because past few drops I've actually been able to cop here and there via Concepts. I like the store a lot. We're going to get into this one first though. This one just came out 2 days ago. This is the high top right here. I'm real excited to check this pair out, so we're just going to get into it real quick. From what I was told, it's basically the same thing as the low top, as the Enflame. It's just, you know, if you took an L, this is what was recommended because it's almost the same. The only difference I'm being told is the toe cap. The coloring within the toe cap is different, guys. Check it out real quick. I thought I took a size 11. Okay, this is a size 10.5. Check it out, y'all. I think I got another one coming tomorrow via Kith, and that should be a size 11. That one I'm definitely keeping for myself. This is true to size 10.5, which is what I don't do with Yeezy, so... yeah, including this one, the 500, guys. For those who never owned a pair, try to go half a size up if you can. Do not go true to size when it comes to this, just like most Yeezys. But anyway, let's go take a look at this bad boy right here. Yo, this is sick, boy. I like the laces too. This is crazy. Check it out, y'all. Tactile Orange. This is so cool right here. I like this colorway, man. This is nice. So what you got over here is, you got two different oranges over here, right? No, it seems the same actually. I don't know, is it the same or is it different? I feel like this color here and this color is slightly different, guys. Real slight of a difference, but there's two different oranges here. This brown here within the mud guard, it's not the same brown you get here within the Suede Area Toe Cap. This here seems to be, to me, I could be wrong, but I feel like this portion here is not more within the blue spectrum of the colors. It's more within purple, I'd say, kind of like a grayish purple, if you ask me. While this is blue over here, I'd say, you know, kind of like a navy blue. Not too dark of a navy blue, but navy blue. Suede Area here, navy blue as well. You have your brown back here again within the Suede Area. Same brown as what you would find within Toe Cap, that's for sure. Over here you got nylon here, you got mesh over here, and this is all same brown, same browns. Infinity lacing system, gotta love that. No need to tie your shoelaces ever. I like how this feels too. This is pretty sturdy. This has a sturdy feel to it, guys. These laces right here, and of course, look what they did here with this rope. They're using the rope again here for the tag. Pause where you need to pause, unpause where you need to unpause. There you go, details of the sole again. This does not feature boost, guys, but it's real comfortable. This features adiprene. Real comfortable, I can assure you that. But yeah, show you the inside real quick. We got a dark brown. Now that we got that out the way, let's go take a look at this right here. Mr. Low Top 500 Low Enflame. Shout out to StockX once again. I wonder which one I'm gonna like more. After you guys view these two, let me know within the comment section which one you prefer, the low top or the high. Okay? I'm real curious as to knowing how you guys feel about that. Alright, y'all, so here's the tag, you know, proof of purchase. Of course, all the personal info I removed so you guys wouldn't get any of that. I don't need people stalking me. Just kidding. You know, StockX sticker, of course. This is crazy. I like the color they chose for the toe cap and the mud guard. Yo, close details. Take a look, guys. Take a look. See that? Wow. This is incredible. How's the inside for this pair? Okay. Brown as well, but this seems to be like a lighter brown than the high top version from what I saw. You know what I noticed? Between the two oranges here on the low top, you can kind of notice more with this one than with the high top version. I'm still trying to figure out in my head whether these two are different within the high top or not. To me, it feels like they are different, but it's just so close to being exact that it's kind of tricky. But you can kind of tell more with these. Of course, we're going to compare both. We got to compare the lows and the highs. Same goes with the on feet. I'm going to do an on feet where you see both at the same time as well. And here's the tag. Pause, we need a pause, unpause, we need unpause. As I always say. Yeah, I don't know how important this tag is right here, but there you go. So yeah, this colorway right here for the toe cap and mud guard, I'd say it's kind of like a khaki. Makes me feel like khaki. This looks more like khaki to me, this portion here. They're almost the same. Yeah, just about. This is like a little different. This is like khaki. This would be, yeah, I'd call it like a khaki, some sort of khaki. You know, in the market, sometimes you'll find khaki colored clothing, and when you compare all the khaki clothing together, the shades will still be like slightly off, not exactly the same, and they're all considered khaki in the market. So this is definitely some sort of khaki, trust me guys. And of course, you got your navy blues. Look what I just realized too, in this area here, where I told you guys it felt like as if I was looking at like a grayish purplish looking color. That's not exactly what we have here with the low tops. The low tops does look more like a grayish blue, while the high top looks more like purplish gray within this area right here. Yeah. Woo! Look at that. See what I'm saying? Slightly different. You see, these two oranges, they're different but almost seem to be exact, while the difference between these two is a lot more noticeable. See what I'm saying? I feel like the real bottom portion though, the sole for both of these, is the same exact orange. This and this orange right here. These two feel slightly different to me. It really does. Look at that. These shoes do feature 3M, guys. You're gonna see when I give you that up close on feet look, which is gonna start right now.
Que estos panchos yo los puncho como un pincho y los plancho, puncho limpio. Tu cuero está ancho como quiera el toto le hincho. Soy un tipo oculto como ni sin bulto. Si tú eres alto, yo eres alto, en el asalto yo resulto. No hay guares que me asaren ni se compare. Con las rimas malabares, le dan malestares cuando viajo a diferentes lugares.
Designs locked in my closet, I'm opposite of dirty. Final rocket sneaker releases a season early, y'all remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the Gucci sweater. A groupie fella, who does it better? I run tracks and acapellas, I run tracks and whack rappers in this era. Cause I'm better, get fed up, get wet up if you think you gon' play me in a setup. Well, there you have it, guys. The Yeezy 500 low and the highs. Enflame and Tactile Orange. Please let me know which one you prefer. Let me know if they're both cops or are they drops within the comment section below. And for those who cop, let me know which one you copped. If you copped one of them, if you copped both. Do you still plan on getting them on the market right now, etc., etc.? And I forgot to mention the low top version. It doesn't come with infinity laces, bungee style laces, whatever you want to call it. It comes with the regular, of course. And for the highs, I didn't really check to see if they contain extra laces. We're gonna do that real quick. Completely forgot to check. Let's go check right quick. I hope they do, because it's always good to give people, two options rather than one. And they do not come with extra laces. Well, it's all good. I mean, I didn't really need them. I like the fact that you don't have to tie your laces with infinity lacing system anyways. But, hey, what's up, Sasha? But anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Stay tuned because we got another early look coming up soon. It's your boy Broadway J here at Kicks and Beats, and I'm out. Take care, yo.